A survey on text classification algorithm in mining text data was done by Priyarshini, Divya, Deepika, our guidance under V. Deepak, Assistant Professor, CSE. Our abstract of the project is lot of site information is available in a web pages. It can be difficult to estimate. It is considered as noise. Existing system of a project is the site information can sometimes be useful in improving the quality of the clustering process. It can be risky approach when site information is noisy. Disadvantage is the relative importance of this site information may be difficult to estimate when tremendous amount of information is used. Proposed system. The proposed system involves a new algorithm called COATS, Content and Auxiliary Attribute Based Text Clustering. It involves two phases, initialization and noise removal phases. Literature survey. Relative topic model for document network. This model has a disadvantage of dimensionality reduction and produce the interruptible clusters of node. Framework for clustering data streams. In this model, the problem is clustering is difficult in massive domain case. Queued and efficient clustering algorithm for large database. It provides a multiple random representative point for each cluster to assign data points. Efficient and effective clustering method for spatial data mining. In this method, it uses online spherical K-means algorithm. Architecture diagram. It has a 4 workstation in which the internet user browses through the network. If the user considered any noise in the web log, they can give a request in a form of SQL to the database and it returns to the user from the server, and the user can check the cluster purity by using a cluster purity weblog. System requirement. It involves software requirement or hardware requirement. Front end is JDK 1.7, back end MySQL. Data flow diagram involves two information, main information, attribute information, which is combined in clustering, and then it is iterated, and then noise removal phases, and then cluster purity. Module is 4 module, text uploading, combining auxiliary attribute based clustering, checking cluster purity. In module 1, it is a initialization phase, only a text is uploaded. Combining auxiliary attributes along with the main phases, here auxiliary attributes also added. In attribute based clustering, iteration method is involved. In cluster purity method, the user can check the purity of a data or weblog. In implementation, the main page involves home admin user. And then if user is not logging, you have to register. Once registered, it provides a web page where the user is using a Sony mobile. The admin asks, are you sure you use this page? Okay. Then admin permission is granted. Then there is a Samsung camera view, which is a noise. If we click, the admin asks if it is an auxiliary noise. Okay. Admin gives a permission. Okay. And then the user can contact with the admin by giving a feedback. The reference of this project are this. Conclusion. The project involves iterative partitioning method with the probabilistic model. In this future, it can be used with OSKM model for network traffics. Thank you. Project demo. Initializing. Then clean and build. It takes several minutes. Now project is run. Classfish server will open. Hence, project is built successfully. It provides a new web blog. Admin login. Admin will upload multiple files. First image is uploaded. Once you give submit, it gives the information of the images. Then mobile description is uploaded. Admin gives the permission. Now it can be modified into relevant data. Admin check. Now the Firefox browser is a desktop browser. It is a noise. It can be removed by using a admin permission. It is changed into a relevant data as Dolphin browser. Now the main content is irrelevant, so it can be removed. Admin gave the permission. And the another attribute noise is in the form of link is removed. And the purity is checked by the user. If the web pages of LG Mobile is useful, by giving yes or no, it is submitted to the admin. Once we get submitted, it provides the purity of a web page. It gives a purity in the form of graph. Admin check. To contact admin, we can provide a feedback. Hi. LG Mobile product is useful. Answer is submitted. It is successfully registered. Now the user can log out. That's the end of the project.